Hello guys, I'm back. Sorry that I took long to upload video, but today we have a package that I ordered that we're gonna open it in this video, I guess. And let's go. Alright, so we're gonna open this package. Let's rip it. What's there? Alright, so we got the first layer. Now we need the second layer. And let's do it. Alright, also I was cutting it with scissors. Then I got this. Then I'm still going there. Like it's some fishing pole that I get. I'm gonna get to my sobrino, cause he never been fishing with the fishing pole. And when my tío went, my uncle, he got him a fishing pole. Fishing pole, homie. That should good, man. And yeah, one for me in case I wanna go somewhere, and one for my sobrino. But I'll probably get to my sobrina if if I want to. But I could order this again. And that's actually good. I actually like it. Yeah. Yeah, about this, if you're new, like, please subscribe and give big thumbs up for this video. And like I said, sorry that I haven't uploaded video in a while. But yeah.